Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing the checkout page on your Shopify store. Now, why would I be reviewing the checkout page with you? So I have been building and designing websites for the last 5 years. And oftentimes I go onto websites and when I'm checking out, I notice that their checkout page does not match the branding of the rest of their website. So I'm going to show you today how you can make sure that your checkout page matches the branding of the rest of your website. So that way it doesn't have the basic and generic Shopify colors and fonts and things like that. It's super quick to do, but honestly, it's very important. You want to make sure that your website is all on brand from start to finish. So you know the drill. Let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you how to do this right now. You're going to want to click on settings and then you're going to want to click on the checkout tab on the left-hand menu bar. After that, this is the checkout page, so just to quickly review it with you, you'll notice a couple of things like you can require your customers to input their phone number or email, and then you want to go down and make sure that these are all filled out according to your business needs. Okay, so now onto the important part, you're going to click on customize, and this is the page that I want you to make note of specifically. So over here on the left hand side, you're going to notice there's an option for you to upload your logo, and then you can adjust the size to be the size that you want it to be on your checkout page. So I'm going to increase my logo actually just a little bit, and then on down you'll notice you can even change where you want it to show up on the page. I like it on the left hand side, but then you can choose whether or not you want it to be full width and just how you want it to look on this checkout page. You can even do a background if you want. However, I don't suggest adding a background. I suggest leaving the background as white because it's easier for the customer to read and you want to make the checkout process as seamless as possible for them. So keep that in mind. And then now down here, you're going to notice the colors. Okay, so these are my brand's colors. You need to make sure that you upload these colors to be whatever your brand's colors are. Don't leave them as the default Shopify colors and don't leave these typographies as the Shopify default either. You want to make sure that the typography that you have on your website is also the same on your checkout page. You'll notice here how it's just default, so you want to make sure you change that. And then I would suggest leaving your checkout as just one page rather than making your customers go through multiple pages. And that's it. This is a complete overlook of the checkout page, and now you'll notice that the typography, the colors, my logo all matches my website branding. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about Shopify, email marketing, different apps to use, and just business things in general, then consider subscribing to my channel. And with that, I will see you in the next video.